Hi, I'm Roger SKALBECK, Associate Dean and Professor of Law here at the University of Richmond School of Law, and this is the Synopsis. Today we're exploring questions of artificial intelligence, intellectual property, and what can be recognized as protectable expression. Specifically, we're looking at copyright. The Constitution has as its origins a recognition that authors should be able to register works of their writings. The question is, what happens when a human works together with tools and machines to create new expression? In the fall of 2022, we saw an explosion of new tools that can be used to create new content. Images with DALL-E 2 and Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, and text with things like ChatGPT. All of these are tools that humans can use to create new content. Where does the scope of protection begin, and where are we having to exclude the artificial intelligence tools from these particular works? In the fall of 2022, the Copyright Office registered a visual arts work, also known as a comic book, for something called Zyra of the Dawn by an artist in New York, Chris Kashtanova. Subsequent to the registration, the Copyright Office learned that Chris had used AI tools to create the comic. They started cancellation proceedings and have since reissued a registration for the work, restricting it just to the text of the work and the selection and arrangement of the materials found in the comic book. Recently, the Copyright Office has sought to provide further guidance in the area of artificial intelligence. They have new guidelines that came out in March of 2023, and they are having listening sessions around particular types of works in March and April of the same year to look at things like sound recordings and movies and text, and back to visual arts, the images such as comics, to understand the interests and concerns of the creators as well as the industries connected to these properties that are registered. All of this information is collected at copyright.gov/AI. It's a fascinating world to follow, and we are looking forward to finding out how the law and creative expression will evolve over the coming weeks and months and probably years. How is that timing?
2:34.
All right.